But ladies and gentlemen, in the background, our teams have also been working to lay the foundation for an unprecedented infrastructure overhaul at our land borders. This truly is a groundbreaking moment for South Africa. The diligent work that has brought us to this moment was done through collaboration between the Department of Home Affairs, the Border Management Authority, National Treasury, Department of Public Works and Infrastructure, the South African Revenue Service, as well as the transaction advisors who have traveled this journey with us. My sincere appreciation goes to each and every one of them. Today, the BMA Commissioner, Dr. Masiapatu, will announce the 6 successful bidders that have been selected to physically demolish and rebuild South Africa's 6 busiest land ports of entry as part of a transformative public-private partnership. This project, worth an estimated 12.5 billion rand, constitutes the single biggest investment ever made by the South African government in upgrading our country's border management and immigration system. The 6 ports of entry that will be rebuilt are Lebombo, Beitbridge, Oshoek, Kopfontein, Maseru Bridge, and Vicksburg. These 6 ports sit at the center of regional trade and movement. Together, they account for an astonishing 80% of cross-border trade and passenger flows through South Africa's land borders. Their performance has a direct impact on economic growth, revenue collection, and national security. For many years, as we all know, these high-volume corridors have, however, been under significant strain. Congestion, outdated infrastructure, and fragmented systems have slowed down trade and increased the cost of doing business.